That was funny, right?
No.
All right, I'm not usually one for pranks, but this seems like fun. It's pouring rain outside, so I'm gonna move the car up so my wife and kids can get in the car, but I'm gonna lock the doors when they go to run out. We'll see what happens. It's just water after all, right?
Really? You locked the door? Shit. Mom, it's Easter. He had the door locked.
That was pretty funny.
That was not pretty funny.
All right, so I think we can all agree that was pretty funny, right? You guys all had a good time out there?
No.
I'm gonna throw this at you.
My lovely wife. That was funny, right?
I will throw Oreo at your face.
Happy Easter, everybody.